Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you're doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And this is your extended love reading, okay? This is your extended love reading, and let's start your extended love reading. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. I'm going to clarify some kind of messages. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. So please take whatever is resonating and leave the rest, because it is not going to resonate with each of you, my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Okay, so in the comment section, let me know if you want to tell me anything. Okay, if you want to share me. So let's start your reading. Let's see, well, let's clarify your reading. I have already posted your main reading, in which I have already told you that there is some kind of completion, and here it is. Yes, you are completing some kind of karmic cycle, Aquarius, with the World card here, and the World is here. So you're completing some kind of karmic cycle with some person, okay, and that person is the King of Wands, which is which has sneaky behavior towards you, which always manipulates you, lies, cheating, manipulation, and the toxic one, the devil one. But you are completing some kind of karmic cycle with them. Okay, so this was your reading. You want to start some kind of new beginnings in your love life, but you are unable to make a decision between you are unable to make a decision. Basically, let me adjust my camera more. Today my camera is not adjusting. Okay, so yeah, this was the message for you, and let's clarify your reading so that I can tell you more. Please clarify, King of Wands. Please clarify, King of Wands. There was someone who was giving you some kind of passionate new beginning, but that person was the player kind of energy, Knight of Wands and the Tower. Okay, so this person was an in and out energy who was trying to give you some kind of passionate new beginning, but the Tower moment has occurred in their life, in your life. Okay, please clarify. Seven of Swords. Please clarify, Seven of Swords. Wow. Moon. There were some secrets hidden from you. There were lies, cheating, manipulation going on with you. So that's why this player kind of energy is there in your reading today, Aquarius. There were some secrets hidden from you, and you know that. Please clarify, Three of Cups. Please clarify, Three of Cups. Bottom of the deck, Eight of Cups. This Three of, that's why I told you in the main reading also that today usually Three of Cup is all about celebration, happiness, okay, is all about that. But today I'm getting the energy of Three of Cups. I'm getting the energy of third party situation, that there was some third party situation going on, and here it is. Okay, Devil, Moons, Seven of Swords, sneaky behavior, okay, lies, cheating, manipulation going on, and devil has come twice in your reading, Aquarius. Please be careful. There is someone which is not good at all for you, which is toxic, okay. So let me see. Please clarify, devil. Eight of Swords. So you are feeling stuck or restricted, or they are feeling stuck and restricted. Okay, this energy is too heavy. No, it is not going to harm me, no, not at all, but I can feel that energy. It's not good for you, for your health, for your life, Aquarius. Please clarify, devil. Help me out to clarify, devil. What else you want? Three of Swords. That's why I'm telling you, they put you in a third party situation always. Judgment, bottom of the deck. I'm having Judgment, and I'm having Judgment in my reading 2 times. So there is a Judgment. See, Five of Wands. Five of Wands. So yeah, there were some conflicts around you, Aquarius. Let me clarify like this. This devil has put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart several times. There were times which, can you see, this girl is screaming a lot and the heart is broken into pieces. There are stitches in the heart. They put all the swords in your heart. So this, they put you always in a third party situation. They have given you lots of pain, lot of heartbreaks. So they can only give you that because that's the devil. So that's why. Please clarify Six of Cups. The person is from your past. Okay, this is Six of Cups is here. Six of Cups, please clarify. Let me clarify. Not Six of Cups. I'm going to clarify any other thing. Okay. Please clarify Lovers. Please clarify Lovers. What is the meaning of Lovers? Clarify Lovers. Hierophant, 10 of Swords and 2 of Swords. You are unable to make a decision. Again, 2 of Swords and 2 of Swords. Okay. Either they are unable to make a decision or you are unable to make a decision. But this is you. That situation, that relationships involves marriage or a relationship in which you both were committed to each other. Okay, a relationship in which you both are committed, because Hierophant is there, 10 of Swords and 2 of Swords, 10 of Wands, both are there. Okay. Clarify Sun. This is you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 3 of Wands. Again, you are waiting your ships to come. Okay, you are waiting your ships to come. The Star and the Queen of Swords. You know the truth and you are hoping for new hopes, new desires. The Star card is there 2 times in my deck. You are hoping for new hopes and desires. You are someone who knows the truth. Okay, you are truth seeker. You know the truth and you are hoping for new beginnings in your life. The Sun card is there. But why is this energy around you? Why there is 2 of Swords? Please clarify 2 of Swords. No. Okay, I'm holding my deck in a wrong direction. Okay, let me hold this like this. Okay, clarify 2 of Swords. Clarify 2 of Swords. 2 of Pentacle. 2 of Pentacle. Bottom of the deck, Lovers and 2 of Wands. There are 2 situations. You are at the crossroads. 2 of Wands, 3 of Wands. Okay, and the Lovers. You're deciding something, Aquarius. You want to decide. You want to take a decision right now, and that's right. You have to take a decision in your love life, in Lovers. Please clarify Star. Please clarify what is the meaning of Star. The Star. This is you. You are coming towards the calmer waters. 6 of Swords. You're coming towards the calmer waters. That's the new hopes and desires for you. Wife, there is 5 of Wands. Clarify. Clarify 5 of Wands. Clarify. 1 minute. Clarify 5 of Wands. High Priestess has come. Okay, you are using your intuitions and that's very true. You can use your intuition. 6 of Cups again has come. So there is someone from your past in which you are using your intuitions. There are some conflicts around you. Clarify Queen of Cups. Clarify Queen of Cups. Clarify Queen of Cups. No, that's not the right one. Please clarify. there was some person in by which you what can I say, today the energy is too heavy that I can't speak today. Okay, the Knight of Cups, Five of Pentacle, and Five of Swords. You know there are some conflicts around this person. Okay, Knight of Cups is all about who is a romantic one. They are giving you romantic offers or romantic messages, romantic talks. Who is someone who is very romantic, loyal, but you are leaving them behind. And because there were conflicts around them, Five of Wands and Five of Swords. What is happening for you, my Aquarius? Let me clarify one more thing. What's the judgment? What is the meaning of judgment? Please clarify. Judgment. No, they're saying no. Okay. Again, I'm getting Nine of Swords. You have spent sleepless nights, Aquarius. You were feeling very sad, remorseful, because that was your wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups is there, but you are leaving them behind because there were some conflicts surrounding by this person. Okay. So let me clarify one more thing. Why there is Six of Cups? Please clarify Six of Cups. Please clarify Six of Cups. What is the meaning of Six of Cups? Judgment. No, this is not the clarification of Six of Cups. I want to know that Six of Cups because I'm getting two energies which are there from your past. Okay, there are two energies. Let me use my other deck. This one is the small one, a cute one. Okay, let me see. What is the meaning of Six of Cups? Please clarify Six of Cups. Wow. Six of Cups is clarified by Six of Cups and Two of Cups. That's why, because there are two energies in your life. There are two soulmates. There are two persons which are there from your past. One is the devil one and one is your soulmate. Can you please clarify? What are the energies from Six of Cups? Please clarify Six of Cups. They're coming towards you right now. You are resting and rejuvenating yourself. They're coming towards you. Knight of Pentacle is there. They're coming in a slow pace, but they are coming towards you, Aquarius, to give you some kind of stable, committed offer. Okay. Okay, what is the advice for the Aquarius? Sun. Please give me advice for the Aquarius. There is new beginning happening in your life, Aquarius. Again, the world card, 3 world cards I am having here. Okay, so you are completing some kind of cycle. There are some new beginnings happening for you. New happy beginnings are happening for you. You're completing a cycle in Three of Swords. Again is there, Three of Swords and Three of Swords. So the third party is situation is completing in your life. Okay, the past hurts, heartbroken is completing. Now the cycle is completing. Any other advice which is important to give? These cards are too small. Okay, please give me advice for the Aquarius. Please give me advice for my lovely Aquarius. What is the advice from the divine, from the universe? Please give me advice. If you have any advice, please give me advice. Any other advice? I can't hold them actually. Let me take another deck because this is so difficult to shuffle because this is too small. I can't hold them. Okay. I have already had three messages for you. Let me see. Give me advice for the Aquarius. The Chariot. You have to move forward, Aquarius. Keep your strength with you there. That's enough. Five of Swords, bottom of the deck again. There are some conflicts around you, but you do not have to worry at all. Okay. Why I am saying it. Keep your strength with you. You coming towards a calmer water in your relationship. Nine of Pentacles is there. Okay, Hierophant and Six of Wands and the Strength card. Okay, so you are coming towards the calmer waters for sure. You do not have to worry at all. Maybe right now you cannot see like this. There are some conflicts around you, but you will see that you're coming towards the calmer waters. Okay. So you are unable right now. You are unable to make a decision. Two of Swords. But don't worry. Keep your patience with you. Keep your strength with you. Okay, my beautiful Aquarius. Because your hard work is paying off. Nine of Pentacles is there. Whatever your hard work is, you are doing, your hard work is paying off, Aquarius. Okay, you do not have to worry at all. You're coming towards the calmer waters for sure. You're completing some kind of karmic cycle with some kind of third party situation of Three of Swords or some toxicity or some devil, but you are completing it for sure. So that was your extended love reading. Okay, and let's summarize your reading. I hope you will see this third little cute one, small one. Okay. So yeah, you completing some kind of cycle. There are three world cards from my three decks. So you're completing some kind of cycle. Okay, Aquarius. You're coming towards the calmer waters for sure. Six of Wands and Six of Wands is there. So there you're coming towards the calmer waters. Keep your strength with you. You have to move forward in the forward direction. Okay. There is a Sun card here. Hierophant is always Hierophant. I am having 2 times. Okay, so there is some relationship. Either you are married to this person or you are committed to this person for a long period of time. So you are coming towards the calmer waters for sure with this person. Okay, there is a completion of cycle. Why? Because there is 10 of Swords and 10 of Wands, both are there. So there is a completion of a cycle. You're completing some kind of cycle here. There is a devil which is not good for you, which put you in a third party situation always, which is toxic. Okay, Three of Swords and Three of Swords. There is a devil from both deck. Okay, the devil and the devil. So there was some person or some energy around you which is not good for you, which is toxic for you. Okay. There is a Moon card here. Seven of Swords, Moon, and Eight of Swords. Okay, so there is someone which always give you lies, cheating, manipulation. Okay, they keep secrets hidden from you. They keep the truth hidden from you. Okay, and that's why you feel stuck in a situation or in a condition. In a situation you always feel stuck, and you are using your intuitions, Aquarius. You are using your intuitions, but there are some conflicts which are going on in your life. There is 5 of Wands and 5 of Swords, both are there. So conflicts are going to happen right now, but you are leaving them behind. 5 of Pentacles is there. You're leaving them behind and you're moving in a forward direction. Either you are leaving them behind, 1919 was the recording reading time, or the other person is going to leave you in a situation, either you are leaving the situation or the other person is leaving the situation. Okay, and that person is not good for you. Why I am saying it? Because this is a player kind of energy who will come and play with you. The King of Wands is someone who is a player kind of energy. Knight of Wands is there. They will play with your emotions and they will ghost away. Okay, you are hoping for new hopes and desires and you are getting it, Aquarius. There are two, let me tell you like this. Okay, there are 2 suns here, so you are getting your new beginnings here. You're hoping for new hopes and desires. Okay, the Star card is there. There is someone from your past, Aquarius, who is your 6 of Cups, 6 of Cups and 6 of Cups. I'm having 3 6 of Cups from 3 decks. So there is your soulmate. There is a person from your past. Okay, who is your soulmate? They are offering you 2 of Cups. Okay, the Lovers and the Lovers is here. Okay, 2 of Cups. They are offering you 2 of Cups. Today reading was that you do not have to worry at all whatever is happening. You know the truth. You are the Queen of Swords, so you know the truth. Okay, just completing some kind of cycle. You do not have to worry at all. Yes, there are some conflicts surrounding you, but you do not have to worry at all. Okay, my beautiful Aquarius, you do not have to worry at all. Just move in a forward direction. Okay, let's add some oracle from the fairy and close it out, your reading. And then I'm going to make a bonus reading, bonus messages for you. Help me out to deliver the messages which are important to deliver to my lovely Aquarius. Help me out. There are 3 messages, Aquarius. Protect your dreams. You are the guardian of your precious dreams and they are safe in your care. Keep them close to your heart until you are ready to release them. So protect your dreams, Aquarius. And there is lost and found. What was once lost is about to found. Thanks to lost and found fairy, sometimes she can help us find things which never ever even we realized were lost. So there is something which was lost, you will found it again. And there is a moon energy. Surrender to the natural ebb and flow of life. If you are feeling confused, this fairy comes to calm emotion and reassure you that peace of mind is possible, right? Because right now I am getting the energy of that you are not feeling good at all, Aquarius. But don't worry, you will come towards the calmer waters. You do not have to worry at all. Whatever conflicts and toxicity and whatever things are happening for you, that will be going to pass on. Okay, that will not going to stay same. So this was your main reading, okay, extended love reading for December 2020. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to you, my beautiful magical beings all over the world. And let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. That's what I want to say every time, again and again. I really appreciate, I really like when you share some things with me. Okay, so take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.